Object talking videos are blowing up right now. These videos are getting so viral that pages and channels making this type of content are gaining hundreds of thousands of followers very fast. Just look at this page. Their very first post got more than 600,000 views. The best part? The more viral these videos are, the easier they are to create. And since you can target a worldwide audience, the RPM is naturally high. Now, these videos can be created in just 3 simple steps. For the first step, I've already done 90% of the work for you. The link is in the description. I've created a custom object maker GPT for this. To use it, simply open the GPT using the link in the description. You can enter any object name you want. For example, I'm using fast food here. As soon as you type it, a prompt will appear. Copy this prompt and paste it into your Notes app. Now go to Piclumen AI. Paste the prompt there, set the ratio to 9:16, and click Generate. Your image will be generated instantly. Download this image, then open a new tab and go to Runway ML. Upload the image, paste the same prompt, select the ratio, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. You can download it from here. Now upload this video on YouTube and Instagram to increase your reach. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll give you a ready-made object talking video pack. The original price is $10, but if we hit 1,000 likes, I'll give it to you for free. Don't miss this pack. Subscribe now.